Back, guys, to the Dressin app that makes you get $6 every day. So now the next thing that we're going to be doing in this video, I appreciate everyone that has watched this video and has registered. Some people, they did not watch the video and they went ahead to go and register. If you comment or you say it is not working for you, I think you are on your own. Instruction makes someone great. If you are not following instruction, makes you to look somehow else. So now go to Brave browser, and then once you open your Brave browser, make sure that you have connected your VPN. As you can see, my VPN is connected. Can you see? It is connected already. So make sure you connect your VPN. Then I can just simply go back to my account here, which I have already. If that is how it is on your phone as well too, you can go ahead and just log in. So you're going to log in, as you can see. So then you click on continue. So once you click on continue, you're going to see the home page like this. You're going to see the home page like this. Then you can see all this banner like this. Then you're going to click on this grand opening says, banner. Then once you click on it, you are going to see products that you can buy. Now, the products that you are to buy, you can buy any product that starts from 0.9. Any other product that doesn't have 0.9 as price, don't click on it. So you are not going to click on it. So the next thing you are going to do is you are going to click on any of the products. So me, I'm clicking on let me just pick one randomly. Let me pick this one. So I click on this one. I'm waiting for it to load up. So this is the product that I click on. So if you look at the product I click on, it is 0.9 cent, 99 cents. So what you're going to do now is you're going to click on size, let's say medium, and then now if you click on it, it will change the price. So you just have to just look at the prices, but make sure the prices that you click on extra large. Can you see my own now? It might not show like this on your own, depend on the product that you choose. Just make sure that this place, that this part, where we have price, this price is 0.99. So now what you are going to do now is you are going to click on add to cart. So you click on add to cart. As you can see, automatically I have it in my cart already here. You can see I have it already in my cart here. So the next thing I'm going to do now is I'm going to check out. So you click on checkout. So once you click on checkout, as you can see, you're going to have this billing address and other stuff like that. So the next thing you are going to do now is the fake Z that you have opened already to get your fake address. So you're going to refresh it. You can refresh it, and then you will have it like this. So now you can see the street address, the city, the state and province. You see the zip code, the phone number, and everything, the name that you are going to use, everything is there. So what you are going to do now is you're going to copy these details. You're going to copy them. So you just go like this. Just follow how I'm doing it. Don't skip any part of this video. So you just paste the name. You just paste like this. First name like that, cut, and then bring the second last name here. Then you paste it like this. You paste it like this. So phone number, you go back there again. I mean, you go back to the FakeZ website. Then you click on it. Phone number. Then this is the phone number here. You highlight it and copy it. Go back there to the website and paste it. Follow all these things step by step. Then address one, you're going to go back there as well. Then address one, if you look at the address now, you're going to find the address here. Can you see this is the address? Then you are going to click on it to highlight it, copy it, then you put it this way. Then you put it address one. So then you can leave the second other one. Then you have city. So the city, you go and copy the city as well. You copy the city as well. Copy the city. So you are going to copy the city. Where's the city? Bottle. So you copy the city, Bottle. So that's my own city. It might not bring this same thing for you. It might not bring this same thing for you. Then now you're going to change your state to California. California. I repeat again. California. I repeat again. California. Then you are going to go back again to copy your zip code. So the zip code, this is the zip code here. You are going to copy it. This is the zip code. Follow all these things. Watch this video. Don't say it is too long. When you need money, you use money to find money. Then you mark this place. You mark this save as shipping address. You mark it. Can you see? You mark it. So I'm going to click on it. And then what am I going to do next is I'm going to click on next. So once I click on next, then you press save like that. Then save. Then you have it like this. The next thing, as you can see, so as you can see it now, so this is your name that you are using, all the details that you have put into it. You can go back and go and cross check. Let's check Brooklyn Farrell. So let's just check. So if you look at the name is Brooklyn Farrell. Brooklyn Farrell. So now then you go now and you are going to select shipping, standard shipping. You are going to select standard shipping. So I'm going to select that standard shipping. So once I click on standard shipping like that, so as you can see, standard shipping, which is $0. Then what am I going to do? You scroll up like this. You scroll up like this. Then you pick paper. When you pick paper, it's going to load up another thing for you. Then you will now see this place. You scroll up like this back, and then you see a place where they wrote points. Under it, you have 110 points. Why do you have 110 points? Is if you register, they will give you 10 points first, and then when you now verify your email, which you have done, I believe all of us we have done that, then they are going to give you 100 points, making 110 points. So you are going to click on it, and then you click on use all available points. Then you click on it, then you say confirm. So when you click on confirm like that, it's going to load up. It's going to load up. Then as you can see now, it is okay like this. Can you see? You are not paying anything with paper, but you are paying with that point. So what are you going to do next is just go like that, scroll like that, then you click on place order. You click on place order. You click on place order. As you can see, thank you for your order. Your order number is this. They will have sent email into my email now, and then that my order is successfully completed. Now before I go to my mail, I want to show you can get your referral link from here. You can get your referral link from here. This is your referral link. You just click on copy URL to have your own referral link and share it with your team as well. The more you can give your referral link and people can register under you, the more you make money from it. As you can see from my phone here, you can see Dressin. Congratulations, you have got, let me just open it so that we can be on the same page. Let me just open it so that we can be on the same page. It is very easy as that. So far you follow this video, don't skip any part of this video. So as you can see, my email is loading up. Congratulations, you have got $8 reward. Great news, your friend has successfully placed an order. Okay, this is my first account. This is my own account, and I'm using my wife's account for this tutorial. As you can see now, I have $14 reward. I have $14 reward already. So if I'm checking through the email that comes in for her, let me go and check for the email that comes in for her. So this is our own email that comes in for her. please do this thing and make sure you are doing it correctly. You are doing it correctly. So let me just click done, and then so thank you for your order. Congratulations, you have successfully placed order. This is how they are going to send it to you as well, from your referral links. The cash reward has been credited to the Dressin account of you and your friend. Excuse me. And the reward is $6. They have given you $6 now. As you can see, this is the product that you order. This is the product that you order. And then this is another way to get your referral link. So this is your referral link here, and then as well you have received $6. So let me go back into the website and go and finish the whole scenario. So now you can go back to your account now. Watch this video. Don't say it is too long. Watch this video, then you click on view order. I'm clicking on view order now. So view order, as you can see, my order is currently processing. So now I can go ahead and go back to home. I want to check my account. As you can see, boom, can you see my 110 has been reduced to 111 now, because they have removed 99 points. As you can see, you can come and check your reward here. Let's check on my point. As you can see, okay, there's nothing yet in my wallet. Now this is how you are going to do it. You are going to click on my point, and then you have 110 100 before and 110, and then 99 has been deducted. And then now if you come to cash grab rewards, you are going to see my rewards. And then when you click on my rewards, you are going to see your $6 here, which you can claim to your wallet. Claim reward to wallet. So when you click on claim reward to wallet, which is spend 1 business day until withdrawal. So when you click on save to wallet, you just click on save to wallet. Then when you click on save to wallet, let me check if it is going through. So okay, I think it's going to be 1 business day until withdrawal. So that's why this button is not clickable. So then maybe when I'm doing the next video, I will show you how to do that. So that is the next thing you are going to do now. Quickly rush, go and do it. Make sure you on your VPN when you are doing it. On your VPN. I am saying it again. Thanks for watching this video. Like this video, drop your comments and share this video with your team members. See you in the next video. Good luck.